across criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who got accused of obstruction of justice being under the influence of alcohol. Let's see here. The police arrived at my neighbor's house to arrest him. I was drinking liquor at my home. I came out to stop his arrest. In the end, I was also arrested. Well, yeah, of course you were also arrested. Don't ever, ever, ever butt in with the police. I mean, it's bad enough that, that you talked. You shouldn't even talk to the police while they're in the process of doing their work. Just talking to the police while they're in the middle of something, that's obstruction of justice. You're interfering with them. That's a violation of Penal Code Section 148, parentheses A, parentheses 1. That carries up to 1 year in county jail. And don't ever physically butt in when they're in the process of arresting somebody. Now, I understand that you were totally drunk. You may have been super drunk, and that's a potential mitigating factor for sure, but it's not a defense to the crime. Voluntary intoxication is not a defense. And yes, it is a crime to interfere with the police. You should never, ever, ever butt in. You should never be bugging the police, asking them questions. Don't ever, ever interfere with their work. If a cop is just sitting around eating an ice cream cone, yeah, you could walk up to the cop and ask him a question. That's fine. But if they're in the process of doing their work, they're in the process of arresting somebody, don't be like, so why are you arresting that guy? Why are you doing that? No, don't butt in. Don't interfere. Don't get involved. And I know that's going to sound horrible to a lot of people. No. When the police are doing something, when they're in their job, when they're doing their job, don't butt in. Don't interfere. Don't ask questions. Ignore the hell out of it if you can, because that could be the basis for you to be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section 148, parentheses A, parentheses 1. It's a misdemeanor. Carries up to 1 year in the county jail. You do not want this on your record. Yes, if you're super drunk, that will be a mitigating factor so that you can get less punishment, but it's still not a defense to the crime. Please be careful with the police. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, call us now for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody who the police, I guess, were questioning a minor due to a domestic violence case. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.